Are your Google Ads not showing at all? You set up a campaign, but you're getting 0 impressions. This is one of the most common beginner problems. Hi, I'm Jasmin, and in this video I show you 3 quick reasons why your ads are not showing and how to fix them. So, don't get me wrong. Right after publishing a campaign, it can be normal to have very little data and maybe no clicks or even 0 impressions. So let's say on day 1 or 2, it can be normal. But if you still have 0 impressions after 3 or 5 days, then something is definitely wrong. So here are possible reasons. Reason number 1, a low budget. So if your budget is too low, your ads may show very rarely or not at all, especially in competitive industries. So here actually I show you a campaign. It's just for testing purpose with a very, very limited budget a day, just $1 a day. You would see, okay, in the first 4 days, no conversions at all and not a lot of clicks, which totally makes sense. And here, if the campaign is limited by budget, you would actually get these notifications here. Let's say you run a taxi service in Melbourne and your daily budget is only $10 per day. So now imagine the average cost per click for keywords like Taxi Melbourne or Taxi Melbourne Airport is around $3 to $4 per click. So that means your budget only allows for 2 or maximum 3 clicks per day. So here you can see we are using keywords like Taxi Melbourne, Taxi Booking, or Melbourne Airport Taxi. And here you can see the average CPC of these keywords. Here, Melbourne Airport Taxi has an average CPC of almost $4. So if you only have a budget of $10 per day, it simply won't work. And how to fix that? Increase your budget slightly or reduce your targeting. Reason number 2, a low ad rank. The ad rank depends on your bid, your quality score, and your ad relevance. So if your ad rank is too low, your ads won't show. When you go to campaigns, audience, keywords, and content under keywords, so here you can click on columns and you could click custom. So you can actually put some more columns here to get details about the quality score. So we can choose quality score, we can choose landing page experience and ad relevance and would click apply. And here you can actually see the quality score, the landing page experience and the ad relevance for each keyword we are using. It's pretty good except of the keyword here, Melbourne Airport Taxi. So here the quality score is only 3 out of 10. And we can see that our landing page experience is below average. So maybe we can improve the landing page. If the ad relevance would be below average, it means that we need to change something with the ads. So we have to match the ads with the keywords we are using. Like the keywords we are using, they have to appear in the ad. So here in this report, you can actually see where is the problem. Is the problem in the landing page? Or is the problem maybe with the ad relevance? So how do you fix your ad rank? As a summary of what I just said, you can improve your ads, improve your keywords, and increase the bids if needed. Last but not least, reason number 3, wrong targeting. So sometimes the issue is very simple. You're just targeting the wrong location, the wrong keywords, or the wrong audience. So, for example, if you would target a city you're not in, as a local business, or if you're just targeting keywords with no search volume, so then it's going to be very difficult. And how to fix that? You should double check your targeting settings. I want to show you an example about the location targeting. So here we are still with the taxi example. We click under campaigns, audience, keywords, and content, and then under locations, we would see the locations we are targeting in. We are in Melbourne, only in Melbourne. So here you can see the The red thing is actually everything what we excluded. We don't want to target the other parts of Australia and just Melbourne. So if we scroll down, you see exactly the radius we are targeting in Melbourne. And where can you check why are you not getting any clicks or impressions? You can simply check here under the campaign overview here. If we scroll down, we actually get already a lot of details like what can be the issue. We can see here that a lead form asset is missing and that we are missing enough relevant keywords. So Google often tells you exactly what is wrong if you just have a look in the campaign overview. If you want more details, you can click under keywords here. And here you actually see how each keyword is performing regarding the quality score, the landing page experience, and the ad relevance. As a simple rule, no impression means that something is blocking your ads. So your job is to find that blocker. Let me give you a quick recap of what I just said. So if your ads are not showing, check the budget, the ad rank, and your targeting. Fix these issues and your ads should start running again. If this video helped you to understand why your ads are not showing, feel free to subscribe my channel for more beginner-friendly tutorials. And if you ever need help with your Google Ads, my Calendly link is in the video description.